Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an update to my project Pan. If you're interested in how I did this past 6 months, or is it 3 months? Yeah, I do an update every 3 months how I did in my project Pan, then just keep on watching. So basically my update is that there is no update since the last time I spoke to you about my project. Now, the reason is in March, when I had uploaded my first update or second update to my project Pan, a few days after that Ireland went into lockdown because of Corona, and I thought that this situation would only last a couple of weeks. Obviously it didn't. So I left my makeup at work, and as you guys know, my project Pan products are my work makeup basically. So I left it there thinking, sure, we'll be back in the office, sure, we'll be there in a couple of weeks, no harm in leaving it there. Well, we won't be back into the office until August, so yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe it. This is so stupid. I failed again. I will do an update in September basically, and hopefully I have been, I'd used some of the stuff in my project Pan by then, but yeah, this update is very short because basically there is no update. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to go into the office eventually and do my makeup again and just just enjoy project panning. Now, I was thinking maybe I could start another one, but I had done that before where I had my project Pan things in the house, and I just couldn't do it because I get stuck in a rush that I can't use anything else other than that before I hit Pan, and it's not a healthy mindset. So that's why I liked the idea of having a project Pan for products that I use at work. So yeah, hopefully in September we'll see each other and I would have made some progress, or hopefully I'll have a better update than this one. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, but I hope you understand. I can't even go into the office to get my products, so there's that. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Oh my god. Yeah, just see you in the next one. Bye.